everyone, welcome to my kitchen made with love. Yay, it's yummy potato pancakes. If you enjoy our videos, like, comment, share and subscribe.
Thank you, Advait. Hello everyone. Let's start our today's recipe. Take 2 big-sized potato, grated as shown. 1 onion, finely chopped. Also 1 cup of coriander leaves. Half a cup of maida, gram flour and suji. Also take grated cheese as required. Finely chopped 2 green chili, 1 teaspoon of red chili and some cumin seeds. Ingredients shown will get you around 10 pancakes. Let's add potato, onion, suji and salt as required. Yes, I kept potato soaked in water. Soaking potato helps in 2 ways. It helps preventing them turning brown if you are chopping prior to cooking. Also, if you are frying potato, washing and drying it in a cloth helps to make potato crispy as it removes some of its starch. Mix well. I haven't added water as water in the soaked potato was sufficient. Keep it closed for 15 minutes. Suji is soft now. Let's add chili. Crush the cumin seeds and add. Followed by red chili, gram flour, maida, and coriander leaves. Mix well. Sprinkle water if required. Check the consistency. Preheat the pan. Add oil. If you are not having a pan like this, use normal tawa. Add the batter in round shape. Cook with closed lid. Check the bottom side, it's turned brown. Now let's flip it. Add cheese on top. And cook with closed lid for 30 seconds. Cheese potato pancake is ready.
Pancakes are tasty and very yummy. Hello everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video today, Uma's Kitchen video, and please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up.